Hey, someone's got the hiccups. Woo.
Let's zoom.
Woo.
Hi, Brady.
Hi, Mommy.
Why do you have a scowl on your face? Is that because you're hiccuping? Hi, Daddy.
Hey. Come on, shake it off, shake it off. This is the longest that Brady's eyes have been open. I think he's quite full, huh, from the feeding. Okay. Oh, cutie pie.
Okay, one more close-up. Brady. Brady.
I'm a superstar.
Hiccup. Hiccup.